No, one from a different kid. Sweet game. Oh, you're such a noob.
Dude,
get out of here.
No.
Me, man. Stop.
That is bad news there. I know we're going. Why is it still like some trash in there? Oh.
Are we going? Oh my god, we're going.
You don't have to video this every 5
Yeah,
minutes.
Dad, this is our boss.
We know we're famous. Like,
Turn the bathroom light off.
Maybe after the game.
Turn your light
Who
on.
do you think you are? Tell me to do something off playing God.
I'm going to show you.
You think you can tell me nothing? You're lucky I got first blood. You're lucky I got first blood. Yeah. You're lucky I saw that guy. You would have been dead meat.
I'm gonna run you a God.
Move your little feet. Dad, you're so weird. You really are weird.
Actually, I'm not weird.
Yeah, how aren't you weird?
If you watch the videos, you're weird.
No, you're weird. You're over here videotaping me. My friends are gonna think you're a stalker.
You were just dancing like a fucking chicken at a fucking hen house.
What are you talking about? When?
I had to get the video camera out.
Yeah, shut up.
Serious.
Dad, you're so weird. You take pictures of us, make videos just randomly around home. I wish somebody would come over here. I guess
I wish
not.
somebody would let me freaking drive my truck in the pond, but it ain't just working. Yeah, it's really good. Alright, mission.
Oh, baby cheeks. Come on now, you can't be doing that. Oh, baby cheeks. Here we go. Let's go, sweetie. Oh, God. Oh, my God. I hate this. Dad, you're almost out of here.
Oh, guess who just got first blood? How would he kill me? How would he do that? Yeah, you're bad. You're really bad.
Put your finger away, Bob. Don't make me give you the good old 1-2 again. What? What are you doing? You don't like being videotaped?
Help me if I got out of this truck.
Oh, boy. Oh my God, we're going again. Woohoo.
Oh, damn.
There we go. I just threw my grenade. You like a boss. You noob.
He is so good. He is gooder than
Gooder?
Good person.
I'm loving your grammar.
Oh, it's perfect. You got a problem like gooder? Then go die on call. Yeah, that's right. I like that. I hope somebody blows my phone on it. Oh my god! Poor kid, he just got ran over by that guy. And then threw on the ground.
Oh my God, this is the guy.
Kill him.
Fine.
Why, you couldn't walk?
Oh,
He
no.
shot at him. Like on his head. Like a little girl. That's just what I would do.
Oh,
What
man.
is this? Is that a
Oh my God, there he is.
Ah, that's so
I'm
funny.
gonna beat you.
Ah, that's so funny.
I'm gonna break your phone with that.
You're hitting me. and I have it on video. Then I put my slipper down.
What are you gonna do?
Then I put my
What are you
slipper
gonna do if I
down.
have you hitting me? I mean, me hitting you.
You're abusing me.
That isn't that.
Put my slipper down. Put my slipper down. Next one's you going out the window.
Dad, I'm too quick for you.
Who's too quick for who?
Dad, I'm just so nimble. Hold on. Who's gonna get from? Oh boy, not me.